Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at the Alpha Pack shop. This is video 3 of the Can-Am Maverick 1000R XMR Rebuild, and check it out. I threw the tires on it and I got it out the shop and I went ahead and threw everything back in it after cleaning it all up, and we're 110% right here, guys. So yep, I just took it down the road and everything feels good. Alignment came out nice, everything's straight. And that axle, I broke that in, the new axle, going down the road, varying speeds, not going super fast or anything. Heat it up, let it cool, you know, that process. Cups are cool, they never got hot. So this Can-Am, we'll see how that does out in the mud at some point, I'm sure. This is that other one that was in here. Everything's tight though. We're good to go, guys. We are good to go. So in a minute we're gonna head down the road and go check it out. All right, guys, so I brought her out to its natural environment. This is an XMR, Extreme Mud Racer. So we're out here in a part in my neighborhood where we can actually test the four-wheel drive on this thing and make sure everything's pulling right. So that's what we're about to do. Well, let's get into it. Here we go. Let's crank this bad boy up. Oh yeah, dude. Guys, this thing is a beast, I must say. All right, four-wheel drive, engaged. Low gear, engaged. Here we go. Let's make sure this four-wheel drive works like it's supposed to and actually pulls, and make sure the gears are all good to go. Everything's been sounding good. I drove it here. Everything sounds real good. All right, four-wheel drive is on. Let's see what she'll do. See if we can make them front tires kind of slip. Let's see. Oh yeah, they're grabbing. Oh yeah. Yep. I don't know about you guys, but it's been raining a hell of a lot over here in Louisiana, guys. A hell of a lot. Except for the last 4 days. But before that, it was every day, every single day. This is just water from today. Guys, I gotta say thank you very much. We just hit 1,000 subscribers. Hell yeah. I've been waiting to do that for a good while. Appreciate that. Hope we keep growing. It takes y'all to do so. I really do appreciate it though, guys, for real. And also the ride I went on recently, I have all the footage, but I need to edit it, and then I need to upload it to YouTube, and it's a big video, so it's gonna take me a little while to do so. But just wanted to let y'all know about that. It is coming. I got lots of footage for that and the whole race. So but anyway, we're just testing the Maverick right now, trying to get it all said and done so I can get it back to Steven. And I'm sure he'd like to ride before the summer ends, so that's what I'm trying to get done. Seems to be pulling good, guys. Really good, actually. Alright, yeah, this sucker is a monster. And these freaking 32-inch silverbacks, guys, I'll tell you what, they just eat. They grab, bro, and pull. They don't even slip in the mud. These are definitely axle breakers. That's for sure. I can see why this thing's been through so many of them. Here we go. Let's see. Woo! Four-wheel drive's working. Just flash my phone everywhere. Hell yeah! Woo. Feels good, guys. So I'm gonna pull over here, clean my phone off, shut it down, and then get it out on the road. So I'll be back. All right, guys, I know this is not the road like I had said, because after, you know, getting out and looking over some things, I noticed that this hub bearing right here, though I tried to fix it with that washer, apparently still has a little slack in it. I don't know if you can see down there. There's a little gap in there, and when I push on that tire, that sucker moves. So I just got the brakes in on this thing. I'm gonna change all 4 corners, and when I take this tire off, I will be putting that bigger washer I had found that had the bigger inner diameter. I'm gonna throw that back on there and hope to God the rim will go all the way on. If not, I'll have to trim that washer down or get one with a, you know, smaller outer diameter, because the outer diameter of the washer might hit the rim where it seats. We'll see. So I didn't want to go keep ripping it. I brought it home, and like I said, the brakes came in. We're gonna throw them on and just make sure everything's good. I don't want to destroy that bearing. I just put it in there. So that's why I didn't want to ride it anymore on the road and anything. I brought it back to the crib. But yeah, so I'll on the next one have the brakes installed and have that fixed. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end video 3 here. Again, thank y'all. We hit that 1,000 subscriber mark finally, and can't wait to keep growing. It takes y'all to do so, and I appreciate all y'all watching and liking and subscribing, and I hope y'all keep on doing it. Please share to your friends, and look guys, I'll check you in the next one in part 4 of the Can-Am Maverick 1000R XMR Rebuild. Y'all take it easy. Peace.